Yo, what's up? What's up? We are back for another part of Module 3. And this time we're actually going to talk about creating a 7-day content planner. So, when we talk about content planning, we've already done the fan journey, right? So now we need to have a plan to execute all that stuff. And what I'm actually going to do, as I always do, is I'm going to share my screen. So, if you take a look, you guys also have a copy of this in the tools. It may look a little different, but I wrote this out for the video. So this is the content planner, and it actually has 5 columns. It has the day, the content type, the topic or idea, the platform, and the day that you're posting, right? The date. So I want you guys to take a look. This is planned out for 7 days, and this is really what you guys need to start out with, planning your stuff 7 days out. Once you get more comfortable, you'll go 14 days, and then you'll end up going like a month. So this kind of gives you the content idea, or I should say, this is the type, right? So this one should be the process. So day one or your Monday should be, um, the process. It might show you in the studio, getting ready to record a song, how you prep, you in the booth, however that looks, right? And so that would be your topic. Platforms. So a lot of times I post to 2 platforms. Sometimes I go to 3 because I'm incorporating TikTok. I hated TikTok at one time, but I know it's imperative to use TikTok to grow. So I don't want to start doing anything, or let me say that again. I don't want to not do anything that I encourage you guys to do. So um, I'm using Instagram Reels. I do Facebook Reels, and I do static posts, which means just a regular post, and I also do TikTok, and I plan my stuff out. So next one is personality, which is story or lifestyle, right? So this may be where you talk about why you do what you do. It may be a live where you might say, "Hey, so I just wrote this dope ass song. I was in the studio the other day. I know y'all saw the video. Man, the reason I was writing this song, I was feeling some kind of way about a chick, or I was feeling some way about a dude, or man, I just wanted to, I know we have a gospel artist that says, "Hey, I was just feeling really full of God, and I wanted to write a song that expressed how I felt." So you do that. Same thing. Platform post date promotion. So on this day, you may create your offer. Hey, so man, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me so far. Listen, if you go up to my bio, there's a link. And if you want to support me, all I need you to do is go to my Spotify page and give it a like and stream one of my records today. Screenshot it and tell me what you guys think about the record that's up there. Or if it's your new record, hey, I got a link in my bio. There's a pre-save link up there. Go ahead and pre-save my song. Um, however that looks, but you got to go ahead and you want to create a call to action. So that's what your promo is. You pick your platforms and your post date. Real simple. So the plan for this is for you to fill out your 7-day content planner today and schedule your post in advance. Some of you guys, if you've been on the call, I've shown you that you can do scheduled post and you can use Facebook Ad Manager, or I should say the Facebook Business Manager, and you can go to the planner. I should do a video on that one day. In fact, since we're just talking, right, and this video was kind of short, I'm going to add a page. Let me go to my Facebook for Business, right? So that's where you would go, Business Facebook. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. And if you look to the right, so I actually have an ad running, and I'll show you guys about ads further on, right? Because I'm trying to show you guys how to use the regular tools. But over here on this side, you'll see my mouse, and it says Planner. So if you look all last week, it gives you by the date, and you can actually drop a post in and plan it. So let's just go to next week. So I've already got 2 today. If I wanted to go in here, it says this week your Facebook followers are more active at this time. I can hit schedule, schedule a post, schedule a story, schedule a reel, schedule an ad. Same thing, schedule here. If you go to this column, there's a place to schedule, and you can do that as well. So real simple. And if you see here, it says add photo or video. You can add your text or details. And it says schedule your post for the times when your audience is most active, or manually select a date and time in the future to post. Right? So it gives you all types of tools to make that happen. Real simple, real easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope it made a lot of sense. I'm going to check this video to make sure it didn't come out too blurry because I'm using a background, so we'll see how that goes. But with that being said, stay tuned for the next video where we're going to break some more stuff down for you.